In this video, we'll solve this question. The question given is, write the equation of the line parallel to y-axis and passing through the points given below. Now, we can solve this by getting an idea on a line parallel to y-axis and x-axis. What are the equations of those lines and how can we identify those lines? Now, let us take a graph paper and understand this concept. We know that the equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0 and that of y-axis is x is equal to 0. Any line parallel to y-axis will have x is equal to k equation where k is a constant or the distance from y-axis. That means if the distance is k units from y-axis, then it is having an equation of x is equal to k. Similarly, if the distance from x-axis is m units away from x-axis, then the equation of the line parallel to x-axis will be y is equal to m, where m is the distance from the x-axis. The distance from x-axis is nothing but the y-coordinate and the distance from y-axis is nothing but the x-coordinate. So, understanding this concept will help us write the equations of lines which are parallel to y-axis and passing through these 3 points. Now, let us take the first point. The first point is minus 4, 0. Now, first thing we have to understand is when y-axis is given, the equation of y-axis is x is equal to 0. Equation of y-axis. So, any line parallel to this line will be at an equal distance from x is equal to 0. So, we have to see the x coordinate of the given point. So, x is equal to minus 4. This minus indicates the direction in which it is present. Okay, minus 4 means to the left hand side. It will be in this way. This is x is equal to minus 4 line. This is parallel to y-axis and at a distance of 4 units to its left. So, x is equal to minus 4 indicates it is at a distance of 4 units to the left of the y-axis. This is the equation of the line parallel to y-axis and passing through minus 4, 0. Now, let us take the second point. The second point is 2, 0. So, I can write the equation of line passing through this point as x is equal to 2, where it is onto the right hand side. Now, I will mark it with a different color so that you can understand it better. Now, this will be the line which is parallel to y-axis and at a distance of 2 units to its right. So it is positive. X is equal to 2 is the equation of line which is parallel to y-axis and passing through the point 2, 0. Now, let us take the third point. The third point is 3, 5. This 3, 5 point is on the line x is equal to 3. See here, it is in this way. This is the line which is parallel to y-axis and at a distance of 3 units from y-axis. See, the point 3, 5 lies on this line here. Okay. This is the equation of line which is parallel to y-axis and passing through the point 3, 5. In the next video, we learn more about linear equations in two variables.